Hello students, this is Pinky Yadav as an English teacher from Suraj Group of Education. So dear students, we are talking about narration. Already I have given you 3 or 4 video lecture about narration. Today we are talking about narration part number 4, and in which we will discuss imperative sentence. Imperative sentence are found in reported speech, and we will change these sentence into indirect. Clear? So we have discussed already about the rules and special rules and general rules also. So we know very well about changing. We know very well how to change direct sentence into direct way into indirect way. Clear? So let's start the class and we will discuss imperative sentence, how we can change these sentence. So first of all, we will come to know some rules or some types, how can we change and what are the things which we have to change when we change the sentence into indirect. So as usual, I told you in my previous video that first of all we have to change said or said to. First of all, we have to change the reporting verb. Reporting verb we can find the reporting verb as say, says or said. If there is object after these reporting verb, then we will change that reporting verb according to the sentence of reported speech. Reported speech के tense के according we will change the reporting verb into, if there is object after reporting verb. In my last video I write said and said to, after that I told you that asked here, but I told you that if there is object after these words, or reporting verb, then we will change this verb. Clear? So said or said to is changed into according to the reported speech sense. As you know very well, imperative sentence denotes, shows. Imperative sentence shows order, request, advice, and suggestion, command, prohibition, etc. Prohibition you should remove, etc. In imperative sentence we can find order, request, advice, suggestion, command, etc. Whenever we find these words, these things, or whenever we find the feelings of order, request, advice, suggestion, command, then it means that is imperative sentence, because imperative sentence always denote or express order, request, advice, suggestion, etc. Clear? So according to these sense we will change reporting verb said to. Said to is changed into ordered, requested, advised, suggested, commanded, prohibited, or forbade, etc. If we find these things in reported speech, then we will change reporting verb said to into ordered, requested, advised, suggested, commanded, prohibited, forbade, etc. Clear? Because these things will be found in imperative sentence. After that, commas will be replaced. Inverted commas. Inverted commas will be replaced into 2. Commas will be replaced into 2. And then tense will be changed according to corresponding past tense, as I have told you in my last videos, last lectures. So tense always change into corresponding past tense. But now think that if you use to replace the commas, then will you change the tense in this type of sentence? Imperative sentence. Tense will not be changed, because if we use to, then it means it will become to infinitive or finite mood of the sentence. Clear? So look the example, and by these examples we will know about these types of sentence. Imperative sentence: she says to her brother, sit down, give me your pen please, give me your pen please, comma close. She says to her brother, give me your pen please. So first of all we have to check, or we have to see which type of sense in this reported speech. Is there any order, command, request, suggestion, or what is this? So here, give me your pen please. If you find please or kindly here, it means it shows request. If you find please or kindly in reported speech, it means it is a request. And if request is here, then we will change said to, said to. Said to into requested. I wrote here says, but if here it is says is written here, then it means reporting verb is in present tense. And if the reporting verb is in present tense, I told you according to first rule. First rule says that if the reporting verb is in present or the future tense, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Clear? So here it is past tense, said to, and said to change into request. She requested her brother, commas will be replaced into to infinitive. And you know very well that imperative sentence always starts with we first. Imperative sentence starts always with first form, and it is here give is also first form. So after to if I write give, it means it is to infinitive. ये infinitive mood बनेगा, to infinitive बन जाएगा, to give. So tense is not changing, we are not changing the tense here, because I told you that if we replace commas by to, then it is first form, and after to we can't write second form V2 after to, because it will not give any sense. So to give me is first person pronoun will be changed according to subject is she, and nominative of she का she रहेगा. So sorry, just a minute, wait. Give me क्या था? It is objective case. Me is first person pronoun will be changed according to subject, and subject is she, and it is here objective case. So what is the objective case of she? Objective case of she, her. Requested her brother to give her. Your is second person possessive. Second person is changed according to object my brother. What is the possessive form of her brother? Brother के प्लेस पर हम प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे he. क्लियर? ही, एंड ही का पॉजेसिव हिज, टू गिव हर हिज पेन, फुल स्टॉप. So it is indirect way. She said to her brother, give me your pen please. Please आ गया था, it means it was a request, and due to request feeling or sense we have changed said to into requested. She requested her brother to give her his pen. Clear? Next, one more example. It was request, now I am giving you order. The teacher said to the students, the teacher said to the students, sit down, comma close. टीचर स्टूडेंट से कहता है सिट डाउन. इट मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज रिक्वेस्ट. I told you that if you find here please or kindly, it means it is request, but it is here there is no request, sorry, please or kindly word, that's why it is not request. Now you can understand, you can think, and it is a order, sit down, order. So reporting verb will be changed into ordered. The teacher ordered the students, comma will be replaced by to sit down, full stop. It was the example of order. Clear? In last example I told you about the request, and it is the example of order. So like this, whenever we find here request, order, command, suggestion, advice, so we will change reporting verb into the second form of that, the feelings which we found here. Next, one more example. She said to him. She said to him, help the poor. Full stop. So dear students, look here, help the poor. Here we are not seeing or no word which shows request. No word here which shows request. Help the poor. Poor की help करने के लिए हम किसी को order देंगे? नहीं, order नहीं दे सकते. तो what is this? It is request, command, order or advice. You can say advice, suggestion you can say. Clear? So here the reporting verb will be changed into advised. Advised him, comma will be replaced into to, help the poor. Poor is adjective, but before the adjective I have written definite article. It means the poor. The poor, this word shows the whole family of poor. ठीक है? The poor means all the poor person of the world. पूरे संसार के जितने भी पुअर लोग हैं, this word represent the whole family. So she advised him to help the poor. It was the example of advised. So like this, whenever you find here command also, you will change into commanded, requested, ordered, suggested. And whenever you find here negative sentence means प्रोहिबिशन और कोई बात मना की जाती है, कोई प्रोहिबिशन मिले यहाँ पर और कोई बात मना की जाती है, देन हाउ विल यू चेंज? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस. Suppose you find here don't make a noise. Don't pluck the flowers. Don't sit silently. So in such of sentence or these sentence you find don't means मना किया जा रहा है, मना किया जा रहा है. So how can you change these sentence into indirect? Suppose here I have written I said to Geeta. I said to Geeta, don't make a noise. So how can you change? Now we will change first of all said to, after that commas will be changed and then pronouns of reported speech. But here don't. It is do or does. I have already told you that these are used in present indefinite tense and not also is found here. Clear? So how can you change? First of all before replacing commas or before using to we should use not first. पहले हम नोट को पहले ले आएंगे. क्लियर? सो नाउ हियर यू आर सीइंग और वी सी दैट these words, these sentences shows prohibition और मना कर रहे हैं. तो here you can use prohibited और forbid. forbid means होता है मना करना. forbid का means होता है मना करना. second form forbid. क्लियर? prohibition मनाही. so second form prohibited. Clear? So now I will here use I forbid Geeta note. I told you that note को हम फर्स्ट ले आएंगे. I forbid Geeta और note को फर्स्ट ले आओगे. If you use not, don't use not here because I have used here forbid. forbid means मना करना, ना करना, नेगेटिव सेंस. और नेगेटिव सेंस ऑलरेडी आ चुका है तो हम नॉट यूज नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पर. डोंट मेक ए नॉइज. इट मे बी ऑर्डर ऑल्सो. हम किसी को ऑर्डर भी तो कह सकते हैं. टीचर ऑलवेज सेज द स्टूडेंट्स डोंट मेक ए नॉइज. इट मीन्स वो क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं कि नॉइज नहीं करोगे. क्लियर? सो हेयर इफ यू यूज हेयर ऑर्डर देन यूज नॉट फर्स्ट and then to. I will change two types. I forbid Geeta to make noise. To make a noise. First type and second type. I ordered Geeta. Now use not first. Not to make a noise. So like this you can change this type of sentence or this sentence by two ways. First by using forbid and second by using order. It may be order also. So I have changed here ordered Geeta not to make. If you think that it is order then use not first before the to infinitive. Before to infinitive use not. And if you don't use order here you understand this forbid then use here I forbid Geeta to make a noise. Clear? The general said to army men run fast. The general said to army men run fast. Here run fast. What is this? It is order. But here I have used general. जनरल क्या करेगा, कमांड देगा, ऑर्डर देगा. सो नाउ यू कैन यूज हेयर कमांडेड ऑल्सो. if you understand that this is command, then can use here यहाँ पर commanded. Army man, or you can use here army also. Army is also sufficient. Army man to run fast. So like this you can solve this question, or you can use commanded, ordered, requested, prohibited. Don't pluck the flowers, it is prohibition. So you can use he commanded, he prohibited me to pluck the flowers. Clear? He ordered me not to pluck the flowers. So like this we will, I think you will change all the sentence which you find in reported speech as a imperative sentence. And imperative sentence always shows request, command, suggestion, order, etc. So these were the example of an imperative sentence. There are so many examples, there is no limit, but all the sentence I can't explain on the blackboard, because it is the online, or you can say when we are in real class, then we will explain, I will explain, or you will understand all the questions. Till then you have to practice at home, and keep practicing. Stay home and stay healthy. Thank you.